saw a train on the road today, coming toward me in the other lane. It could be my eyes failing me. I can't explain all the things I see. Route 45 is a strange road. I've driven it all on my own. Two yellow lines, my only guide. Got a purple heart deep inside. What can I say that you haven't heard? Either tell you straight or on a curve. I don't know what it's all about, but I travel down a rural route.
Yeah, we got it running.
I took it west to Alexandria, headwaters of the Juniata. Copper wires turning green, hanging from old poles into the stream. What can I say that you haven't heard? Either tell me straight or on a curve. I don't know what it's all about, but I travel down the rural route. I know the road can be a lonely thing, take young lives and leave you pain, but it also heals as you log the miles. It hurts less after a while.
Bye-bye, Bonnie.
What can I say that you haven't heard?
Bye-bye.
Either tell you straight or on a curve. I don't know what it's all about, but I travel down a rural route.
Go ahead. Ain't nothing happening. Ain't nothing happening.